All right, hey there, small town America. You know, they say one man's trash is another man's treasure. And that is exactly the vision of Howard Solomon. Visionary, man that wanted his own castle, creator, artist. Right here in the swamps of Florida, he created his own castle with his own art gallery, with his own sculptures. We're going to go and take a look and see how his family is protecting their heritage, preserving our history with all of his amazing artwork that he did. So get in the truck, small town America. Let's go take a look.
Imagine a place where whimsy and artistry combine, where every corner turned reveals a new surprise. This is Solomon's Castle, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Florida, shimmering under the sun with a reflective silver exterior. This is no ordinary castle. It's a testament to the creative spirit and a beacon of eccentricity in the midst of the Florida wilderness. The story of Solomon's Castle is as fascinating as its structure. It all started back in the late 60s when an artist named Howard Solomon purchased a plot of land in Ona, Florida. With a vision in his mind and a knack for repurposing discarded items, Solomon began building what would soon become a remarkable castle. Using discarded printing plates for the exterior, the castle began to take shape, its walls glinting in the sunlight, earning it the name, the Aluminium Castle. Over the years, Solomon continued to add to his masterpiece. He incorporated a grand dining room, a gallery filled with his sculptures made from scrap metal, and even a full-sized replica of a 16th century Spanish galleon, aptly named the Boat in the Moat. This vessel, though landlocked, serves as a unique restaurant, offering visitors a chance to dine in an environment straight out of a storybook. Solomon's Castle is not just a building, it's a testament to one man's artistic vision and resilience. It stands as a symbol of creativity, a monument to the power of imagination, and a testament to the idea that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of materials. To sum it up, Solomon's Castle is a shining beacon in the heart of Florida, a place where art, creativity, and imagination come to life. It is a testament to the power of one man's vision and a destination that promises a unique and unforgettable experience. So if you find yourself seeking a touch of magic in the mundane, look no further than Solomon's Castle. It's a world of wonder waiting to be explored.
Get in the truck, small town America.
All right, hey there, small town America. So what do you do on a Sunday morning in the swamp? Well, you grab an aircraft engine and a big fan motor and slap it on a boat and head out do a little airboating. As you can see, all the parking lot's full. We already got boats in the water. So get in the truck. Get ready for this episode.
Ever wondered how it feels to glide across water at thrilling speeds, powered by a giant fan? Welcome to the world of Florida airboats. These unique vessels, a symbol of Florida's waterways, are not just your average boats, they're flat-bottomed, powered by a large propeller similar to a fan, and driven by either an aircraft or automotive engine. This design allows them to navigate shallow water and swampy areas effortlessly, something conventional boats struggle with. Airboats were initially invented in the early 20th century to traverse the Florida Everglades, a massive wetland area with shallow water bodies. Traditional boats were ineffective in these environments due to the vegetation and shallow water. The airboat, with its elevated propeller and flat-bottom design, emerged as the perfect solution. Today, airboats are an integral part of Florida's culture and economy. They are used for a variety of purposes, from fishing and hunting to transportation and tourism. Airboat tours are particularly popular, offering tourists a unique way to explore Florida's rich and diverse ecosystems. The thrill of speeding through waterways, combined with the chance to spot wildlife like alligators and manatees, make these tours a must-try experience. But it's not just about fun and games. Airboats also play a crucial role in environmental conservation. They allow scientists and researchers to access remote areas for environmental studies and wildlife conservation efforts. This accessibility is vital in preserving Florida's unique biodiversity. In emergency situations, airboats prove to be lifesavers. Their ability to navigate flooded areas makes them indispensable during search and rescue operations, especially during Florida's hurricane season. To sum up, Florida airboats are much more than an adrenaline rush. They are a lifeline for the people, a boon for the economy, a tool for conservation, and a symbol of Florida's resilient spirit. They navigate the shallow waters and swampy terrains like no other vessel, making them the unsung heroes of Florida's waterways. Whether it's speeding through waterways, exploring diverse ecosystems, aiding in conservation efforts, or saving lives during emergencies, Florida airboats have etched their importance deep into the heart of the Sunshine State. The next time you hear the roar of an airboat's engine, remember, it's not just a boat, it's a Florida airboat, a symbol of adventure, resilience, and survival. Thank you for watching Small Town America. Make sure to subscribe for more adventures. Get in the truck and preserve our heritage.